Apart from stock videos, you can also add in different sort of stock objects, like let's say for example, stock images, stickers, GIFs, and graphics. So to do that, over here on the right hand side, you can see that stocks is an option. And over here, if I were to go around onto the top, you do see videos. But apart from that, you see images as well that you can actually go ahead and set. You can go and set the size of the image right here to small, or medium, or large right here, and even change the orientation. Let's say for example, I'm just going to go around and search for Apple. So there's no medium size, so let's just keep it as it is. But there's vertical, and you can see that I get vertical image of the apple right here, just like that. Apart from that, there are other type of options as well. For example, over here, you can see that I got stickers. If I were to go ahead and expand it, then there's different stickers, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and choose the one you like. But let me just go ahead and type in computer, let's say for instance, and then you got the sticker right here. You can go ahead and choose right here just like this, and then you got the sticker right there just like that. Apart from that, you can see that there are other things right here as well. So there's stickers, there's sound effects, there's GIFs as well. So there's different sort of GIF animations that you can bring in, as you can see just like this right here. So there's animated, as you can see, so that becomes interesting as well. And apart from that, there's Google Images as well. So you can search directly from Google Images. Like let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say party, let's say for example, then you get party related images from Google Images search that you can use for your project right here, just like this. And apart from that, you can also expand the search area right here and search for different things like videos, stock images, even music and sound effects, stickers, GIFs, and Google Images, as you can see right here. And if you were to choose all, then all of the type of different elements will pop up right here of different categories, just like this. And that is how you can add in different stock elements such as images, stickers, GIFs, and graphics inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.